All right, we're here in Russell, Massachusetts today. I'm excited to show you this one. It is 53 Highland Ave. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. We're here, we're gonna go inside and meet with Nick Ferrara from Landmark Realtors, and he's gonna show us around. Buddy, what's up? How are we doing?
Thanks for
How are we doing? Yeah, thanks for having us. Why don't you show us around?
Yeah, so 53 Highland Ave here in Russell. It's a 4-bed, 1.5 bath cape. It's 1,500 square feet. The first floor includes a great living area, also being used as a dining room. Off the kitchen, you will find the half bath, as well as a mudroom with first floor laundry. So all appliances will be remaining with the house. That includes the stove, dishwasher, disposal, and fridge in the kitchen, as well as a washer and dryer in the mudroom. 1 bedroom on the first floor, along with a half bath off the kitchen. Head upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms. Upstairs, you have the primary bedroom with hardwood floors, and then 2 more bedrooms with wall-to-wall carpeting. You also have an updated bathroom up there and a walk-in closet off the hall. There's also a ton of storage space in this house with the closets in the hallways as well as closets in the bedrooms. Some updates include a new roof and windows in 2019. The bulkhead coming out of the basement was done in 2017, and garbage disposal in 2022. There are some updated appliances in the kitchen as well.
Love this place. It's got a huge 4-bay garage. If you go around back, there's actually drive-in access for all of your lawn equipment as well. Tons of storage up top. Honestly, I'm really excited about this one. I really like the location. 10 minutes from downtown Westfield, right near Russell Center, right up Route 20. This is a great location. Nick, thanks for showing us around. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. We'll see you next time. This has been your local look. We're out of here.